Payhip versus Stan Store, which platform is better for creators? Choosing the right platform can transform how you sell digital products and memberships without complicated setups. Payhip offers simplicity, while Stan Store focuses on customization and funnels. Payhip and Stan Store both empower creators to monetize their work, but differ in approach. Payhip is a straightforward e-commerce solution with built-in payment processing. Stan Store emphasizes building sales funnels and integrating multiple tools for a tailored customer journey. Payhip is a platform designed for creators to sell digital products, memberships, and subscriptions directly to their audience. It works by providing an easy-to-use storefront where creators upload their products and handle payments through Payhip's integrated system. Strengths include its simplicity, quick setup, and transparent pricing with no monthly fees, only transaction fees apply. Payhip supports various product types like ebooks, courses, and software licenses, making it versatile for many creators. However, customization options are limited and advanced marketing features like sales funnels or automation are minimal. Payhip is ideal for creators who want a fast, low-maintenance way to start selling without technical hassles or managing multiple tools. It suits authors, educators, and small digital product sellers looking for a clean, reliable platform that handles payments and product delivery seamlessly. Stan Store is a creator commerce platform focused on building personalized sales funnels and integrating various tools like email marketing, payment gateways, and membership management. It works by allowing creators to design custom landing pages and automate customer journeys, improving conversion rates and engagement. Strengths include its flexible funnel builder, multiple integrations, an ability to sell digital products, services, and subscriptions all in one place. Stan Store offers more control over branding and customer experience compared to simpler platforms. However, this flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve and monthly subscription costs, which might be a barrier for some creators. It's best suited for creators who want to scale their business, use advanced marketing tactics, and unify sales and communication tools. Coaches, consultants, and creators with larger audiences benefit from Stan Store's powerful funnel and automation features. Payhip and Stan Store serve different creator needs. Payhip excels in simplicity and quick setup, perfect for creators launching their first digital products without extra complexity. Its integrated payment system and no monthly fees reduce overhead but limit customization and marketing automation. Stan Store, on the other hand, offers advanced funnel building and tool integrations, ideal for creators ready to invest in growth and personalized customer experiences. It requires more setup time and a subscription, but delivers greater flexibility and control. For example, a writer selling ebooks might choose Payhip for straightforward sales, while a coach offering courses and memberships with email follow-ups would benefit from Stan Store's funnel capabilities. The trade-off is between ease of use and marketing power, making the choice dependent on your business goals and technical comfort. Choose Payhip if you want a simple, cost-effective platform to sell digital products quickly without managing complex marketing tools or integrations. Opt for Stan Store if you need advanced sales funnels, customizable branding, and integrated marketing tools to grow your creator business. It's the better choice for creators aiming to scale with automation and tailored customer journeys. Both platforms empower creators, so pick what fits your strategy best.